Inside this advanced luxury watch factory, every Rolex Gold Edition watch begins as raw precious metal. The gold is melted inside high-temperature induction furnaces. Precise alloy formulas create Rolex's signature gold composition. Certified 24-karat gold is inspected for purity before alloy preparation begins. Every gram is digitally tracked for perfect consistency. The molten alloy is cast into solid gold billets. These billets will later become the watch case and bracelet components. Controlled cooling prevents internal stress inside the precious metal. The billets harden into dense, workable material blocks. The solid gold billets are compressed into precision sheets. Thickness tolerance is controlled within microscopic limits. Multi-axis CNC systems sculpt the watch case from solid gold. Complex curves and crown guards are milled in a single operation. High-speed CNC lasers cut exact watch case shapes from the gold sheets. Every cut is measured with micron-level accuracy. Microscopic drilling prepares the case for assembly components. Even the smallest openings required extreme precision. Expert polishers create the signature mirror finish by hand. Each surface is polished repeatedly for flawless reflection. Selective brushing adds contrast to the polished gold surfaces. This finishing technique creates the luxury Rolex appearance. Ultrasonic cleaning removes microscopic particles from the gold case. The surface must remain perfectly pure before polishing begins. The iconic fluted bezel is precision machined from solid gold. Each groove must align perfectly around the entire bezel. The bezel receives multiple polishing stages for a jewel-like shine. Every groove is individually refined for perfect symmetry. Raw bracelet links are refined using precision grinding systems. Sharp edges are removed to create a seamless luxury feel. Solid gold bracelet links are stamped with industrial precision. Every component is shaped for strength and comfort. Each bracelet link is polished individually by skilled craftsmen. The process enhances both beauty and tactile smoothness. The bracelet links are connected with precision-engineered pins. Smooth articulation ensures comfort on the wrist. The finished clasp is attached to the solid gold bracelet. Every movement is tested for smooth and secure operation. The deployment clasp is machined from solid gold for durability. Internal locking parts are engineered to exact tolerances. The watch dial begins as a precision-cut brass disc. Every surface must remain perfectly flat for accurate assembly. Multiple layers of lacquer create the deep luxury dial finish. The coating is applied with perfectly even thickness. Laser systems engrave the dial with microscopic precision. Every marker must align perfectly for accurate readability. Solid gold hour markers are mounted onto the finished dial. Robotic systems ensure perfect alignment at every position. The dial text is printed using ultra-fine pad printing technology. Each character must remain perfectly sharp under magnification. Precision watch hands are stamped from ultra-thin metal sheets. Each component is measured to microscopic tolerances. The delicate watch hands are polished for a flawless reflective finish. Even microscopic imperfections are removed during this stage. Luminous material is carefully applied for low light visibility. The coating must remain perfectly balanced on every hand. Every hand is inspected under high magnification before assembly. Perfect balance and alignment are critical for accurate movement. The mechanical movement begins with precision-machined base plates. These plates support every gear and component inside the watch. Microscopic holes are drilled to hold synthetic ruby jewels. These jewels reduce friction inside the movement. All movement parts are ultrasonically cleaned before assembly. Even microscopic debris can affect mechanical precision. Miniature gears are cut with incredible precision. These tiny teeth transfer energy throughout the movement.
Each gear is polished to reduce resistance and wear. Smooth surfaces improve long-term mechanical performance.
Synthetic ruby jewels are installed to minimize friction. These bearings help the movement run smoothly for decades. The gear train is assembled by highly skilled watchmakers. Every wheel must align perfectly inside the movement. The escapement wheel controls the heartbeat of the mechanical watch. Each tooth is engineered with microscopic accuracy. The pallet fork transfers energy to the balance system. Ruby pallet stones are positioned with extreme precision. The balance wheel acts as the timing regulator of the movement. Weight distribution must remain perfectly balanced.
The hairspring controls the oscillation speed of the movement. Assembly requires steady hands and microscopic precision.
The escapement system brings the mechanical movement to life. Energy is now regulated into precise, timed pulses. The automatic rotor powers the movement using wrist motion. Solid gold construction improves winding efficiency. The rotor is engraved with decorative luxury detailing. Every pattern reflects Rolex's precision craftsmanship.
The rotor is polished to achieve a luxury-grade finish. Decorative engraving remains sharp and highly reflective.
The automatic winding rotor is mounted onto the movement. Smooth rotation ensures efficient energy transfer. Specialized lubricants reduce wear inside the mechanical movement. Only microscopic amounts are applied to critical components. The movement is calibrated for chronometer-level precision. Timing adjustments are measured to fractions of a second. The automatic winding system undergoes endurance testing. Continuous movement verifies long-term reliability. Synthetic sapphire crystals are cut for extreme scratch resistance. These crystals are harder than nearly all natural materials.
The sapphire crystal is polished for complete optical clarity. Every surface must remain perfectly distortion-free.
Anti-reflective coatings improve visibility under bright light. The coating process occurs inside a controlled vacuum chamber. Every sapphire crystal is inspected for optical perfection. Even microscopic defects are rejected immediately. The completed movement is carefully installed into the gold case. Clean room conditions prevent dust contamination. The finished dial is aligned precisely over the movement. Perfect positioning ensures accurate hand clearance. The hour hand is mounted with microscopic alignment precision. Perfect balance prevents friction during operation. The remaining hands are installed with exact vertical spacing. Smooth movement ensures precise timekeeping performance. The sapphire crystal is sealed onto the watch case. Precision gaskets guarantee water resistance. The iconic fluted bezel is secured onto the finished case. Perfect sealing protects the movement inside. The screw-down crown allows winding and time adjustment. It also protects the watch against moisture and dust. The caseback is sealed using controlled torque precision. This final seal protects the luxury movement inside the watch. The completed watch undergoes high-pressure waterproof testing. Every seal must remain perfectly secure under extreme conditions. Leak detection systems inspect every waterproof sealing point. Even microscopic air leaks are instantly identified. Condensation testing verifies the internal moisture resistance. A flawless crystal remains completely fog-free. The watch is tested in multiple positions for chronometer accuracy. Precision timing standards must remain exceptionally strict. The automatic movement is tested for long-term winding efficiency. Continuous operation verifies power reserve performance. The watch is tested against controlled mechanical shocks. The movement must maintain accuracy after impact exposure. Anti-magnetic protection safeguards the movement from interference. Precision timing must remain stable around magnetic fields.
The solid gold bracelet is attached to the completed watch case. Every connection must fit seamlessly without gaps.
The bracelet is tested for flexibility and wearing comfort. Smooth articulation is essential for luxury feel. The deployment clasp undergoes repeated durability testing. Smooth locking action is verified thousands of times.
Every surface is inspected for cosmetic perfection. Even microscopic scratches are unacceptable at this stage.
Laser measurement systems verify every external dimension. Micron-level precision ensures flawless assembly alignment. The finished watch receives its final luxury polishing treatment. Every reflective surface is refined to perfection. Filtered ionized air removes invisible dust from the watch. The final product must remain perfectly clean before packaging. The crown functions are tested for smooth adjustment operation. Date and time settings must respond perfectly. The luminous markers are tested in complete darkness. Brightness and visibility must remain perfectly uniform. Every gold watch is weighed to confirm material precision. Exact weight consistency reflects manufacturing accuracy.
Serial engravings and hallmarks are verified for authenticity. Every watch receives unique identification markings.
Protective coverings preserve the flawless finish during packaging. The luxury surfaces remain untouched until delivery. Official certification documents are prepared for each watch. These records confirm chronometer precision and authenticity. The iconic presentation box is prepared for final packaging. Luxury materials complement the finished timepiece. The completed Rolex Gold Edition watch is carefully packaged. Every detail reflects luxury and precision craftsmanship. Certification documents accompany every luxury timepiece. These records verify authenticity and performance standards. The final packaging is sealed for secure delivery. Protective materials preserve the watch during transport. The completed watches are prepared for global distribution. Every shipment is digitally tracked for security. The finished Rolex Gold Edition watch arrives ready for display. Luxury presentation highlights the craftsmanship inside every piece. Every polished surface reflects hundreds of precision manufacturing stages. The finished watch combines engineering with timeless luxury. Microscopic precision is visible in every component of the watch. From dial details to movement accuracy, perfection defines the design. The completed Rolex Gold Edition watch represents precision, status, and craftsmanship. Every detail is engineered to last for generations. From raw gold to a masterpiece of precision engineering, the Rolex Gold Edition watch is complete.